Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's news bulletin. Here are the headlines of today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses ASEAN-India Summit at Jakarta. India all set to host G20 Summit in New Delhi beginning tomorrow. Estimates Committee expresses satisfaction with ITI construction in Sakwang. And Office of District Tuberculosis Officer East Khasi Hills organizes distribution of nutritional kits at RP Chest Hospital, Shillong. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the ASEAN-India Summit at Jakarta in Indonesia yesterday. In his remarks at the 20th ASEAN-India Summit, Prime Minister Modi said India-ASEAN partnership has reached the fourth decade and it is an honor for him to co-chair the summit. He congratulated Indonesian President Joko Widodo for organizing the summit. Modi said ASEAN is central to India's Act East policy and ASEAN has an important place in India's Indo-Pacific initiative. He also called for amplifying the voice of the Global South.
साथ ही साझा वैल्यूज, क्षेत्रीय एकता, शांति, समृद्धि और मल्टीपोलर वर्ल्ड में साझा विश्वास भी हमें आपस में जोड़ता है। आसियान भारत की एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी का केंद्रीय स्तंभ है। भारत आसियान सेंट्रलिटी और इंडो पैसिफिक पर आसियान के आउटलुक का पूर्ण समर्थन करता है।
New Delhi is all set to host the G20 summit beginning tomorrow. Heads of delegations continue to arrive in the city for the summit. President of European Commission Ursula von der Leyen, European Council President Charles Michel, Secretary General of Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development OECD Matthias Cormann, Managing Director of International Monetary Fund IMF Kristalina Georgieva, Director General of World Trade Organization Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Minister of Economy of Mexico Raquel Buenrostro Sanchez have arrived in New Delhi to attend the G20 summit. Several global leaders will reach New Delhi today for their participation in the two-day summit. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma informed that 90% of the colleges in Meghalaya have started the implementation of the 4-year degree courses under the National Education Policy 2020. Speaking to media, Sangma said the state government had earlier written to NEHU that some of the colleges had expressed their inability to implement the NEP with regards to the ongoing stalemate between the NEHU and the Meghalaya College Teachers Association and NEHUTA. The minister said the state government has asked both the parties to sort things out because there is no opposition against the implementation of the NEP from any student, principal or management.
So all the colleges, I think 99% of the colleges of the state has already implemented, and the classes for 4-year graduate courses already been started in almost all the colleges of the state, and we are in touch with the head of the institutions and the management.
The Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Estimates, led by Nongpo legislator Meral Bon's Aim, has expressed its satisfaction with the progress of the construction of the Industrial Training Institute in Sakwang, Maukirwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. Chairman of the Estimates Committee, Meral Bon's Aim, expressed his optimism about the institute becoming fully operational soon. The inspection of the ITI was part of the Estimate Committee's 2-day tour across 4 districts of the state, which included West Jaintia Hills District, East Jaintia Hills District, East Khasi Hills District and Southwest Khasi Hills.
Assembly to follow up issues, pending project or the ongoing project, especially with regards to the estimate that has been made, whether there are issues with regard to the escalation of rate or maybe some issues with the estimate, and at the same time to follow up issues that the project has to be completed on time, on stipulated time, and to ensure that the quality of work is to be 100% monitored by the implementing agency.
The Office of District Tuberculosis Officer, East Khasi Hills District, today organized a program regarding the launch event of Nikshay Mitra project in East Khasi Hills District on food distribution on community support scheme for TB patients by Doctors for You. At Reed Provincial Chest Hospital Hall, Jalupara, Shillong, addressing the program as the chief guest, East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba said that the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Abhiyan exemplifies the spirit of collaboration, compassion and the pursuit of a healthier society.
I feel with a profound sense of pride and appreciation to the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan that exemplifies the spirit of collaboration, compassion, and the pursuit of a healthier society. The Nikshay Mitra aim at supporting tuberculosis patients in the community, and it's not just a healthcare initiative, it is a symbol of collective commitment to ensure better future for everyone.
The World Literacy Day is observed every year on 8th September with an objective aimed to remind the public of the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. Different schools in West Jaintia Hills District observed World Literacy Day to create awareness on the importance of the day as marked by UNESCO since 1996. As part of the observation activities such as drawing, painting, poetry writing, slogan writing and recitation was conducted to school students on the subject of world literacy. The Shooting Association of Meghalaya today conducted a demonstration of both 10-meter events, pistol and rifle for the hearing handicapped children at the School and Center for Hearing Handicapped Children at Bethany Society, Latimpura, Shillong, so as to explore and encourage the possibility of their participation in parachuting events, which are events conducted in most sporting championships, including shooting sports. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 95%, while it was 79% in the evening. The recorded rainfall was 3.8 millimeters. The forecast says moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses ASEAN India Summit at Jakarta. India all set to host G20 Summit in New Delhi beginning tomorrow. Estimates Committee expresses satisfaction with ITI construction in Sakwang. And Office of District Tuberculosis Officer East Khasi Hills organizes distribution of nutritional kits at RP Chest Hospital, Shillong. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.